This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making it simple. Ensure your system is on the correct Windows build and 64-bit mode so the driver matches. Once done, download the AMD Adrenalin installer and save it to a known folder. This reduces confusion during the install. Make a system restore point and close non-essential apps to prevent conflicts. You're already halfway. Now locate the downloaded file and right-click to run as administrator so the installer can update system files without permission errors. You'll see install options. Choose the clean or factory reset option to remove remnants of old drivers that can cause glitches. As you proceed, pick Express for a fast, standard install, or custom if you need specific components like audio or graphics utilities. During installation, watch for restart prompts and allow them. Restarting ensures Windows loads the new driver correctly. If asked, let the installer download missing dependencies. This saves time versus hunting them down manually later. Once the system boots, open Device Manager and AMD Adrenalin to confirm the driver version and that the GPU is recognized. You should run a short benchmark or a game for a functional check. This proves performance and stability. If you see crashes, black screens, or reduced performance, don't panic. Use Device Manager to roll back or uninstall the driver, then repeat a clean install. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems by removing corrupted or mismatched driver files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.